Hey everyone, welcome to my very first doodle tutorial video for all ages. So today we're going to be doodling a Christmas elf. How perfect for this time of year, right? So kids, grab your mom and dad and a pen, pencil, and a piece of paper, and let's get started. Now, if I go too fast, feel free to pause and catch up. So first we're going to draw a U shape for the head, like this. Next, the ears, which will look sort of like triangles with a rounded edge at the bottom. And these lines on the inside for the insides of ears. Next, the hat will make a line up on this side, and we'll make these zigzag mountains, and it sort of looks like a crown. Next, we make a line up and over and down like a little mountain, and a line underneath, and a line down, and a circle. Now there's the hat. Now let's do the eyes, which will be just two dots like this, and eyebrows, and a nose, of course a smile, just like that, yes, and three dots on each cheek for freckles. Okay, now let's do the neck, and we'll do shoulder and arm, shoulder and arm. And now we'll do the inside, like that for that arm, and this for this arm. Okay, now let's do the torso, which is the tummy and the chest. A line down here and a line down here. Perfect. Now, we'll make the zigzaggy pattern at the bottom. Now we'll do the hands. Do some fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a thumb. Another thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. A line here and a line here for the sleeves. Collar, and another zigzaggy pattern for the collar. To a belt, these lines here, and a square in the middle. Now we're going to do the legs. First leg, and the other leg. Now let's do the shoes. We're going to do a swoop up on this side, and a swoop up on this side. Next we're going to go swoop down and up, swoop down and up, and we'll do a line here and a line here for the tops, and these little circles for the bells. Now we'll do these lines on this leg, and lines on this leg for stripy tights. And don't forget to sign your name. This is your original artwork. And we're done. Doesn't your elf look absolutely adorable? And that's all I have for you. Thanks for joining, and be sure to like and comment what else you want to learn how to doodle. And don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss out on the latest doodle tutorials. Bye!